Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at how to multiply a whole number by a fraction. So real easy, let's have a look. We've got 4, which is a whole number, times 1 over 3. All I need to do is make my whole numbers into fractions. So let's do it. Okay, 4 as a fraction is 4 over 1. And then we're going to times it by 1 over 3. Alright, next step is the same as what we did last time. So when we multiply fractions, we can just use our arrows to go across. 4 times 1, I know is 4. And 1 times 3, I know is 3. So the answer is 4 over 3. Alright, let's have a look at the next one then. So we've got 2 times 5 over 10. So I'm now going to go ahead and make my whole number 2 into a fraction, which is 2 over 1. And I'm going to times it by 5 over 10. Okay, let's have a look. I've got 2 over 1 times 5 over 10. Remember my arrows. So 2 times 5 equals 10. And 1 times 10 equals 10. So 2 times 5 over 10 is 10 over 10. 4 times 1 over 3 is 4 over 3. Now, these are improper fractions, so how do I turn these into proper fractions? Let's start with 4 over 3. All right, so 4 over 3, let's write it in. 4 over 3. And the next one that we had was 10 over 10. All right, so if the top is bigger than the bottom, it's an improper fraction. How do I make this into a proper fraction? I just simply remember if I've got something over 3 here, my answer is going to be something over 3. How many times does 3 go into 4? 3 goes into 4 one time with 1 remainder. So there's my answer, 1 and 1/3. How about the next one? How many times does 10 go into 10? Well, there's no need for me to do a denominator and write something over 10 because I know that 10 goes into 10 one time. So my answer is 1 whole.